Hey, what is going on, guys? So a couple of years ago I had a VXSS that you guys may have seen the video for, you may have not. That was probably my dream car at the time. I spent a lot of money on that thing, and well, I sold that a couple of years ago. COVID prices were doing really well and I needed the money more than anything, but fast forward now and I just bought the cheapest manual HSV in the country. Long story short, I flew from Melbourne to Queensland sight unseen, messaged the bloke on Marketplace and said yep, I want it. I jumped on a plane a couple of weeks later and pretty much picked the car up at about 9 o'clock at night. Mate and I got in the car and drove it the whole way home, all 1700 Ks, and I like to think I did a pretty good job. So I guess for a little bit of story time, it is a Panther Mica factory black VS Club Sport Series 1 factory manual, 170 odd thousand Ks. I actually honestly haven't even checked. Completely original, down to the 6DD stacker that is sitting in the boot. Well, it's not right now because I just went for a roadworthy, but currently it's roadworthy, although it's not registered yet. We still need to go through and do the registration component, but the roadworthy has been done today. It's finalised, just finished. So all I need to do now is make a booking with Vic Roads and essentially get it on the road. The club registration paperwork is in the mail now. The next couple of episodes that you will see will be me going through some issues. I mean, you buy a car sight unseen from another state that had sat for I think 6 or 7 years, you're guaranteed to get some kind of problems. Something is going to go wrong, and a couple of things did go wrong, but we're at the point now where I feel comfortable making the video of the start because it is not a money pit and not costing me a lot of money, not just yet anyway, and it's almost ready to drive. So I didn't want to put out the I bought a new car video without, well, having the car ready to go, because otherwise it's not as fun when you're just constantly sitting in the driveway trying to fix it. So I guess the reality is that if you're looking for survivor car content, you won't find that here. That's not me. I'm not that guy. I tinker with cars, I change them, I play with them. Whilst I did manage to find a nice unmolested standard manual, it won't stay that way. The trim will get done, the suspension will get toyed with, the wheels will get changed, the exhaust will be done. Everything on this car eventually will be changed. If the motor goes, I'm not going to rebuild a 5 litre. Much as I love the 5 litre, I won't rebuild it. I'll just put an LS1 in it with a 6-speed. As it is at the moment, it's great, it does what it needs to do, but if it breaks, we can make it better, and that is the plan. It's already got pacemaker extractors, and it's got a somewhat aftermarket exhaust, which has got twin cats, down to one or two mufflers, but they're all standard. That will be getting done and changed just to make it a little bit louder. It's still quite nice for what it is. some more noise would be great. Just something about 5 litres. LS, you just can't match that. I've had a cammed LS. You just can't match that. Realistically, it's a fairly good motor. It runs well, it feels great, but it could be better. So that's the new channel car. This is what I'm going to build my dream on, and this is what will build me, because I love it. I'm so glad I bought it. It was the cheapest thing I could find, sight unseen. Travelled from 1,700 kilometres. This thing got started at 9 o'clock at night and it drove 20 hours home, faultless, not a single issue at all. That's the grand test you can give on a car, really. If you like 5 litres, if you like old HSVs, and if you want to see more of this, just driving around, just doing general things, cars and coffee meets, just general cruises, drives up and down the mountains, whatever it may be. If you want to see that, if that interests you, feel free to hit the subscribe button below. Hit the like button if you like it, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.